first of all, what is a clipper? Okay, clipper is an electronic circuit which clips. Okay, write down clipper. Clipper definition you write down. Clipper definition you write down first. Don't draw the circuit first. Write the definition. Okay. Clipper is an electronic circuit. Clipper is an electronic circuit which clips the unwanted portion. Which clips the unwanted portion of a waveform without distorting the remaining part of the waveform. Without distorting the remaining part of the waveform. Okay? Right? Anybody wants me to repeat the definition again? Raise your hand. Clipper is an electronic circuit. Clipper is an electronic circuit which clips the unwanted portion of the waveform. Waveform, W-A-V-E-F-O-R-M. Okay, I repeat. Clipper is an electronic circuit which clips the unwanted portion of the waveform without distorting the remaining part of the waveform. Okay, so what is the meaning of the definition is clipper is an electronic circuit, okay, where using that circuit we can eliminate a portion of the waveform if you don't require. Okay, for example, we have seen half wave rectifier circuit. What we are doing in half wave rectifier circuit, we are eliminating a negative half circuit. So half wave rectifier circuit also is a clipper circuit. Right? Fine. Before we go into the details of this, let us see the categories of clippers we have. Okay? Basically, clippers are categorized into two. One is series clipper, another will be what? Parallel. Okay, parallel clipper, or other name for parallel is shunt. Okay, shunt clipper. Right? What do we mean by series clipper? If the diode is in series with the load, that is series clipper. Right? What do we mean by shunt clipper? If the diode is in parallel with the load, that is shunt clipper. So this one is what clipper? This is series. Diode is in series with the load. Right? Okay, same rule. So this is series clipper. Again, each one is further divided into negative, okay, positive. Negative series clipper, okay, then positive series clipper. Likewise, this is divided into negative what? Negative shunt clipper. Okay, and the other is positive shunt clipper. Okay, right? To make it easy for you, I will give one small example. You know nail cutter? What it does? It cuts nails. Okay? Nail cutter cuts nails. Negative clipper will clip which half side? Positive or half negative? Negative. Right? Okay? So now tell me what is the name of this clipper circuit? Negative. Negative what? Series. Okay? Negative series clipper. Right? We know very well that half wave rectifier, this is the circuit, right? Clips negative half side. So negative. Diode is in series with the load. Okay? So series. Right? So name of this circuit is negative series clipper. Fine? Next what we will do? We will write the expression for V0. Okay? This is general discussion. We are now going back to the negative series clipper. Okay? Right? So we are going back to the negative series clipper. Okay? Right? What is V0 in this case? What is V0, everybody? We have to take, see here, from this point to this point. Okay? What do you think is the relation between V0 and Vi? They are, for positive half cycle, what is V0 and Vi relation? They are equal. Okay? Right? Considering ideal diode. Throughout our analysis, we will take the diode as ideal diode. Okay? Ideal diode means when it is on, the voltage across it is 0. Okay? Switch. It is like a switch. Practically, we will have 0.7 volt for silicon diode, 0.3 volt for germanium diode. Okay? Anyway, throughout our analysis, we will take the diode as ideal diode. Okay? Right? So, what is V0 here? V0 is equal to Vi. When Vi is positive or negative? Very good. Okay? Vi for Vi greater than or equal to 0. What is V0 for Vi less than 0? Anybody? Very good. Here we can see the waveform like this, then 0, then like this. Right? So, when the input voltage is negative, the output voltage is 0. Right? According to the waveform, that we are mathematically representing like this. Okay? Next, what we will do is we will go for transfer characteristics. Okay? Transfer characteristics. What we do in transfer characteristics is we take the plot of input voltage versus output voltage. Okay? So according to this, when Vi is positive, V0 is equal to Vi. What will that plot be? Anybody? What will this? Okay, this is positive. So this quadrant, huh? Very good. It will be straight line. See, this is like y-axis v naught, y, x-axis vi. This is like y is equal to x. Okay. So it is a straight line passing through origin with slope how much? Slope how much? This is in the form of, okay, y-axis, x-axis, isn't it? So this equation is in the form of y is equal to x. Okay, that is straight line with slope how much? Y is equal to mx, you know. Y is equal to mx is a straight line passing through origin with slope m. Here we have y is equal to x. So it will be a straight line passing through origin with slope 1. Okay, right? Or let us plot it. For 0, any of the case, V naught is 0. When Vi is 0, obviously V naught is 0. So one plot will be here. Okay? When Vi is equal to 1, V naught will be what? 1, because positive greater than 0. V naught is equal to Vi. So obviously will be 1. So the point will be here. When it is 2, when Vi is 2, V naught will be how much? Okay? 2. Right? So the point will be here 2, 2. This one, John. You will get like this. Right? You know, minimum we need 2 points to plot a straight line. Okay? So, anyway, for Vi greater than or equal to 0, V naught is Vi. This is in the form of y is equal to x. It will be a straight line passing through origin. For Vi less than 0 means this axis. What is V naught? 0. So, how will be the graph along this side? Very good. It is along the negative x-axis. Okay, so the plot will be like this. Simple. Okay, school level mathematics. Equation of straight line only here. Right? So the plot will be like this, and then like this. Okay, right? So this will be the transfer characteristics for negative series clipper. Right? Next, I want to mark which region is clipped in the graph. Okay? So, see here what is happening. Input is having both positive half cycle, negative half cycle. Positive half cycle is transmitted as it is at the output. Negative half cycle is clipped. Okay? So, I want to mention transmitted and clipped in the graph. What should I write here? Should I write transmitted or clipped? This is clipped. Okay? Right? This part of the waveform is transmitted. When input is negative, the waveform is clipped. So along the negative axis, the region is the clipped waveform. Clear? Next, tell me what will be the waveform for this circuit. Vi the same. Okay? Vi we will take the same. Try to draw. Okay? See, simple hint I will give you. Let me call VR. Okay? Let me call VR. If we put VR equal to 0, then the situation becomes same as this. Right? Okay? So, now VR is 0, same as this means the waveform is flipped at 0. Okay? When VR was 0, waveform was flipped at 0. When VR was 0, the characteristics started from 0. Right? Now we have some value VR, positive value. Try to draw what is the waveform. Just think and draw. Let me see who will draw that. Just try to guess, okay? See, hint I will give you. When the input voltage becomes greater than VR, then the diode is on. Okay? On means direct connection. Input is directly connected to output. So now try to draw the waveform. Let me see who will draw correctly. Okay, anybody completed raise your hand? Right, okay. Anyway, this one I will explain. Next one you should try by yourself. Okay, right? X-axis you take T, omega T, anything you take, no problem. Okay, right? For clippers. Let us take some peak value, let us call it as VR. Okay? Reference voltage, let me take somewhere here. VR. Right? Let me take reference voltage is positive but less than Vm. Okay? Now, when Vi is greater than Vr, see here, one end of the diode, the voltage is Vr. Okay? So when Vi becomes greater than Vr, the diode will become on. Okay? On means direct connection between this point and this point. Switch on. Okay? Means as long as Vi is greater than Vr, okay? As long as Vi is greater than or equal to Vr, what will V naught be? Anybody? What will V naught be? See here, very easy, listen carefully. Okay? Easy scoring clippers, right? If you understand one, in exam they can modify any and give any circuit. You have to think and answer. Okay? So the basic logic you have to understand, right? For Vi greater than or equal to Vr, diode is what bias? See, this is P side, N side. P side voltage is greater, so diode will be forward bias. Forward bias means on. Okay, what is happening when you switch on? The entire 230 volts is coming to the fan, right? So the input 230 volts is now across the fan. So input and output are equal, right? So when diode is on, what is V naught? I already told you input output are equal. So V naught is Vm. Okay? V naught is equal to Vi when Vi is greater than or equal to Vr. Right? So for Vi less than Vr, okay, let me write here. For Vi less than Vr, what will V naught be? Let us analyze that case also. The voltage here is less. So diode will be reverse bias. Reverse bias means off. Okay? Switch off means no connection here. Input is lost connection. Right? I repeat again. When the voltage here is less than Vr, this situation, okay, diode is reverse bias means off. Off means input output no connection, right? So the voltage here will be simply equal to Vr. Okay, so V naught will be simply Vr. So V naught is Vr when Vi is less than Vr. Clear? So how can we plot this? We already marked Vr. So this duration, input is gradually rising, right? Let me put a dotted line here. As long as input is less than Vr, output is Vr. So output is constant at Vr. This point. When input becomes, this is input, when input becomes greater than Vr, then output is equal to input. So how will we get? Same thing I will give. Right? And this one will be Vm. Peak value same. Vm because they are taking ideal diode. No loss in voltage. Okay? Now, again here, this point going below Vr. Less than Vr. Input is going below Vr. So V naught is Vr. So V naught will remain constant Vr because input is now less than Vr. So on. Again here, input is going above Vr. So input is going above Vr means V naught is equal to Vi. The same waveform we have to draw. V naught is equal to. So this is how we will get. Okay? Try to draw the transfer function. Any doubt? Don't hesitate to ask me. Okay? See here. You write like this. V naught is equal to Vi for I didn't have place, so I didn't write. Okay? Vi V naught is equal to Vi for Vi is greater than or equal to Vr. V naught is equal to Vr for Vi less than Vr. Okay. How will the transfer characteristics be? Try to draw the transfer characteristics. V naught Vi plot. Okay, right. What is the name of this waveform, anybody? Name of this circuit? Yes? Which waveform is clipped here? Positive some portion is there, negative is completely clipped. Okay? So, same name you will get. Okay? Negative name of this circuit will be negative series clipper with reference voltage. Okay? Negative series clipper with shall I erase this one? Anybody write this like that? So how will be the transfer function, anybody? So how will the transfer characteristics be? See the equation, okay? As long as Vi is less than Vr, okay, let me plot Vr here, okay? As long as Vi is less than Vr, output is constant, okay? And what is the value? Vr. So till this point, will get like this. As long as Vi is less than Vr, V naught is equal to Vr. So V naught is Vr constant till Vi is less than Vr. Now this part of the graph, Vi is greater than Vr. How will that be? Yes, linear, very good, okay? It will be linear like this, right? So what should I write here? What should I write here? What should I write here? Here, this one. When Vi is less than Vr, what is happening? Waveform is clipped. So what should I write here? Clipped waveforms. What should I write here? Transmitted. Okay, right? Next, we completed negative series clipper with reference voltage. Okay. How to get positive series clipper is simply exchange the diode terminals. Okay. Put heading positive series clipper, exchange the diode terminals, and try to solve whatever we did for negative clippers. Repeat the same fast. Let me see how many of you are understanding. I repeat next code, positive series clipper. After you complete writing this, put heading positive series clipper. Then try to draw the circuit exchange diode terminal. Simple. Some of you have drawn the circuit correctly. గీరా ఏమైంది అర్థమవుతుంది పాజిటివ్ సిరీస్ డయోడ్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేయాలి అంతే. Okay, some of you have drawn circuit correctly. Draw the waveforms also. If you understood the first one, second one is easy. Name of the circuit is positive clipper. So only negative half cycle you will have. So waveform is again very easy. Draw the waveform. Correct. Draw the transfer characteristics. Reference voltage will be next circuit. I want only positive series clipper. Anybody writing this diagram? Okay. This time I gave you for trying. Okay. Right? If you use brain, subject becomes easy. Not for you to talk some nonsense. That way. Okay, I will be observing you, right? I hope you know lab there is day-to-day evaluation. Okay? I will tell you again. Behavior is good. You learn those who create. See, lab exam is like this. Within the exam duration, you have to award marks. Okay? Your behavior only we will say, okay, this guy is regularly listening to the class. Okay? Lab also did. So all that impression will come. Listen to the class. Ask doubts. Wherever you have lab, your responsibility to create that impression. Okay? Right? See, I am doing my PhD just by seeing my name, they gave full marks. I got 10 out of 10 CGPA. because I created that impression, right? Your responsibility, listen to class, given time is given, right? You should not stop, okay? Try, do the circuit, show the circuit, ask doubt, create impression, you will get marks. Simple, okay? Right? Not only this college, entire country is like that, entire world is like that. Okay, so it's up to you. So how will be the circuit? As I told you, just exchange the diode, then RL, VI, okay, this is V0, right? Name of the circuit is positive series flipper. So which waveform it will flip? Nail cutter will cut nails, so positive, okay? So what will this be? It will cut positive half cycle. So only negative half cycle we will get, right? If you have continuous waveform, only the negative half cycle we will get, right? So this one will be V0. Let us understand the logic. When Vi is positive, this is what? Negative, positive. N side, okay, N side, P side. When Vi is positive, positive voltage and negative terminal diode is off. Off means no connection. Okay? So output, there is no source also. So output is simply 0 during the positive half cycle. During negative half cycle, voltage here is becoming negative. Okay? The voltage here is becoming negative. Negative on N side, diode will be forward bias. This side no voltage, but this side negative voltage. So the net voltage will be such that diode will be forward bias during negative half cycle. Forward bias means direct connection, switch on. Okay? So input output directly connected. Whatever input same will be the output during negative half cycle. Okay? Because for negative half cycle the diode will be forward bias. So negative half cycle same as this, right? So this one easily you can understand. Anybody writing this one, raise your hand. Okay, so next, how will the transfer function be? How will the transfer function be? Okay, first of all, let us write the expression for V0. For which case V0 is Vi? For Vi less than or equal to 0. Okay? How much for Vi greater than 0? 0. V0 is 0 for, we can see the waveform. When Vi is positive means greater than 0, V0 is 0. Okay? So based on this, we are writing the equations. Using the equations, we will draw the transfer characteristics, right? So for negative, both are equal. Okay, 1, 1 here, 2, 2 here, negative. Okay, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. So we will get like this, right? Okay. For negative, Vi less than or equal to 0, V0 is Vi, right? So we will get like this. For Vi greater than 0, this one, what is happening? V0 is 0. So corresponding y displacement is 0, means we are traveling along the x-axis. So the graph will be like this. What should we call this region as? What region? transmitted. Okay, this one clip, right? Next, draw with reference. Okay, next, positive series clipper with reference. Easy topic. Clipper very easy. Just logic you have to use. Easily you can score marks. Anybody writing this one? Raise your hand. With what? What did I write here? Right? Reference. What will be the circuit? Draw the same circuit. Okay. Draw the same circuit. But what should I connect here? Reference voltage. Okay. Same input, right? VI, then this is VR. How will the waveforms be? Right. Now here, other end is VR. So we have to take what is the case when VI is less than or equal to VR. Next, VI greater than VR. These two cases we have to take. From that we will get the output waveform, then the transfer function. Okay, so here to here, VR is less than VR. So this is Pn. What will the waveform be? Here to here. Okay, this part of the waveform, input voltage is less than VR, so diode is on. Right? Correct? Here to here, this is N side. N side voltage is low compared to P side. P side VR, N side input less than VR. So diode is on. On means direct connection. What is input? The same is output. Right? Next here, from this point to this point, input voltage is going above VR. So above VR. So the voltage here is greater than the voltage here. So diode is off. Inside voltage is more. This duration. Okay? Inside voltage is more means diode is off. Off means VR. Because there is no connection. Only one voltage source, so VR. So it will become constant VR. Next, from here to here, input is less than VR. So input is low. Inside low. So diode on. On means direct connection. whatever is the input, the same is output. So whatever is the input, okay, whatever is the input, same output means we will get like this, okay, right? And then this also just now we have analyzed same logic, so we'll get like this. This one will be VR, right? We'll stop here, we'll continue in the next class. Try different circuits, okay? Try different circuits, we'll continue in the next class. Anybody drawing this like your hand? Anybody drawing this one like your hand?